Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to disturb you. Go ahead. Did she just pat you on the head? Oh. I'll get closer so he can bathe you. She moved out of the way. Yeah. Love the hairdo. Yeah. Love the hairdo. And this little girl. Look at you. Look at you. There you go. There you go. Okay. Move it closer. Yeah. Hey. Yes, you're cute.